Wayne M. in Massachusetts. This is your Cobra 148 NWST sound tracker. Finally found the source of the problem and took care of it. I've got a power mic, a diesel echo power mic. I've got your mic gain turned all the way up. I'm on the lower side of channel 38.
Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio testing, audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio test, audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio test.
Clear as a bell. And that's with that turned all the way up and a power mic hooked up to it.
Turn the echo up a little bit and you can hear it on echo. I'm still on sideband. Of course, you don't want to use echo on sideband, but I just wanted you to hear that it wasn't distorted. It's crystal clear now. Audio 1, 2, 1, 2 audio.
Okay. All right. You had a bunch of other things you wanted me to do to it, so I'm going to jump on it. A few things that I've done already. I put a well, the first thing I did was change out those cheap little inductors that they have on the input power. They have the wire going down to the PC board, and then the inductor connects the wire to the rest of the board. Well, I bypassed all that shit. Put some good heavy duty inductors in there. Okay, on both sides. Next, I put a 4700 microfarad filter cap across the DC input. I also put a 10 amp protection diode across it that'll help protect the radio. Okay, now I'm going to have to send you a bigger power cord, and the reason I'm going to have to send you a bigger power cord is now we're getting more amperage down to the board, and since we're getting more amperage down to the board, the radio is producing more power. Let me show you. Meter on the right is peak. We're on the 100 watt scale, which we'll be reading off of that bottom scale there. Audio, hello audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio test. That's about 27 watts peak. And let's see, what are we doing RMS? Audio. That's about 22 watts RMS. So this radio is talking. Okay. I think I just showed you those. I increased the DC input voltage buffer filter from a 1000 microfarad to a 3300 microfarad. Same with the voltage regulator buffer filter, increased from 1000 to a 3300. Okay, I've unlocked the clarifier, and there's some more things you wanted me to do to it, so I'm going to get busy. More to come. Okay, something else I need to show you. I noticed that the night watch wasn't working, and so I took the front panel off to see if it was connected properly. There's a connector it goes into right there. It's mounted on this bracket, which is mounted on another bracket down in here. I took it all apart, and this is what I found. I think there's actually supposed to be another part over here, but this thing is brittle. I mean, it's just the little runs in the plastic there, they broke, and like this one here, if it was working, I don't see how in the hell it was, but I think I've got a trace pin here somewhere. I'll see if I can't find it, and redraw the traces. As you can see, it's just very brittle. It's got like a thin layer over top of it. The mylar underneath it, of course, is not brittle, but this part here is, the little plastic part there. Oh, you can see there's an open right there too, where part of it flaked off. It doesn't look like there was ever a contact on this side. That's strange. I think it would have to have 2 contacts to work. I've got another night watch, 148 night watch here, that one of mine. I'll take it apart and see what the face looks like. I may just, if you want me to, just swap it out for you. But it's never, the night watch part's never going to work again like that. Unless I can find that trace pin. If I find that trace drawing pin, then I'll try to redraw them, and hopefully it'll work for a little while anyway. Okay, more to come. How about it, 105? Hey, 105 in the Indiana diesel wagon. You copy 102 in this weak little portable down here in Florida? Hey, copy that, 105. Well, you sound good down here. You sound good down here in Florida in that little diesel portable there. 102 down here in Jacksonville, Florida. We got a pretty good copy on you, but the conditions are kind of in and out there, Roger. Check, check, 105. 7-3s, have a safe trip. 102, we're on the side. CQ, CQ, CQDX, CQDX, 102, 102 in the portable down here in Florida, calling CQ and standing by. CQ, CQDX, CQDX, 102, 102 in Florida, calling CQ and standing by.
102, 102, 105.
Roger that, 105. I got a room full of you down here in that diesel car. That thing sounds good there, Roger. Copy that, copy that. It's a little 148 night watch sound tracker there. Just trying it out, Roger. At 105, I lost you in the crowd there, in the pile up. You have a safe trip up there in that diesel car in Indiana. This is 102 down here in Jacksonville. We're QRT. Well, hello there, 792. Boy, I got a room full of you there, Roger. Roger that, 791. Roger that. 65 miles north of the racetrack. Man. Well, your radio sure does sound good, I'll tell you what. I'd be curious to know what you're talking on. I'm operating on a little Cobra 148 Night Watch ST. Just got it working, wanted to try it out there, see how it sounded. But I am very curious about your radio equipment because, damn, it sounds good. Roger that, Martin. I do appreciate you coming back to me, and again, you do have a fine sounding station. 791 Indiana, been a pleasure. 102 Lester down here in Florida. We are QRT on yours. Okay. So he said it sounds good. I've been getting reports on it all day long. And that's with this diesel echo mic. You know, it's amplified and got echo. Getting real good reports with it. All right, she's ready. I need to finish putting the screws in the covers and box it up. All right. I sure hope you enjoy your repaired radio. Well, hang on a second. Okay, sorry about that. I was going to show you the receive, but you know, I've set the meters, and you can hear the receive. I don't think I need to show that to you. Wayne, I sure hope you enjoy your repaired Cobra 148 Night Watch ST that everybody told you to throw away. I've gotten a lot of good reports for this little radio, and the receiver's excellent. The transmitter's excellent. Just takes a little know-how to be able to fix one. Repair one. Okay. And I did do the Cobra bulletins. There was a couple of bulletins for it. I went ahead and did those. I also did the sound tracker update to where that sound tracker only works now in receive. It doesn't work in transmit, thank God. Because in transmit, sound tracker actually limits your modulation on AM. So that's out of the way. AM modulation's been adjusted. The sideband ALC's been adjusted. And you saw the output power of the radio already. It's walking and talking. For a stock radio, it's doing really, really well. Especially a stock Cobra. All right. Wayne, I sure hope you enjoy your radio. It was my pleasure to repair it for you. 73s, everybody.